Songeni kando sasa. Nimbaki na mtu mmoja hapo. Hapa. Yes, andika hapo. Sije la.
Having killed this lady at about 6 p.m. on that day. Was it on Sunday? It should be on Sunday. He killed it before even just 7 p.m. And then he left her at that house and proceeded to the homestead where he stayed. He took supper. Then at night he came to carry it to the. In fact, he intended to go and bury the whole body, but the bodies proved to be very heavy. So he left the roadside, went to the house, brought the panga and cut her at the road. Then she took the body past to bury.
Taita Taveta Mataitas are not known for such kind of behavior, such kind of extreme barbaric behaviors. So therefore I want to condemn this in the strongest terms possible.
The phone of the deceased has been recovered, and it is on the way coming. It has been recovered by my officers after telling us where he threw it at the homestead. We have also recovered a panga that was used in cutting the deceased into pieces.